In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared link in Dropbox, making it easy to send a file or folder to someone else. We'll walk through the process step by step, so whether you're using the web, desktop, or mobile version of Dropbox, you'll be able to share your files effortlessly. Let's get started with creating a link via the web. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Dropbox.com. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and sign into your account using your credentials. Remember to ensure that you've got your username and password handy, or if you've enabled it, make use of two-factor authentication for added security. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Dropbox account. Next, navigate your way through your files to locate the specific file or folder you're looking to share. Dropbox organizes files and folders in a fairly intuitive way. Just make sure you're clicking through your personal directory to locate your desired item. It's essential to double-check that you're selecting the correct file or folder, especially if your goal is to share something specific with others. Once you've found the file or folder you're planning to share, hover your mouse cursor over that item. As you do this, you'll notice a few options pop up, and among them is the Share button. Go ahead and click on that button. Clicking this opens a dialog box, providing you with several options related to sharing. In this dialog box, you'll want to select Copy Link. By doing so, Dropbox generates a shareable link for you. This link comes with default permissions, which typically allow the recipient to view the linked file or folder, but not to make changes or edits to it. It's essential to understand the default settings, especially if you're handling sensitive files, to ensure that you're sharing only what you intend to. However, if you need more granular control over permissions, you might want to explore Dropbox's advanced sharing settings, although we'll just stick to the basics here. Now that you have your link, it's time to share it. Depending on how you communicate with the person you're sending the file or folder to, you might paste this link into an email, a chat message, or even another form of message. Simply right-click and select Paste to drop the copied link into your message. Then, send it off, and you're done. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to create a shared link on Dropbox using the web platform. With these easy steps, sharing files with friends, family, or colleagues has never been simpler. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.